Isa sa mga hindi malilimutan na laban ng ating pambato na si Mark Magsayo noong nakalaban niya dito ang knockout artist ng bansang Mexico na si Julio Ceja. Noong gabi ng Agosto 21 o 2021, isang laban ang tumatak sa puso ng mga boxing fans sa buong mundo. Isang laban na puno ng kaba, aksyon, at hindi inaasahang pagtatapos. Ito ang laban ni Mark Magsayo, kilala bilang Magnifico, ay isa sa mga rising stars ng Pilipinas. Malinis ang kanyang record, mabilis ang kamay, at kilala sa kanyang knockout power. Sa kabilang banda, si Julio Ceja naman ay isang veteranong mandirigma mula Mexico. Dating world title challenger, at kilala sa kanyang matitigas na suntok at agresibong estilo. Sa papel, lamang si Magsayo sa bilis, pero sa karanasan, lamang si Ceja. Kaya bago pa man magsimula ang laban, ramdam na agad ang tensyon. Sa mga unang round, ipinakita agad ni Magsayo ang kanyang bilis. Malilinis ang kanyang jab, mabilis ang galaw ng paa, at tila kontrolado niya ang laban. Pero si Ceja, hindi basta-basta umatras. Patuloy siyang sumusugod, naghahanap ng pagkakataon. Unti-unti niyang binabasag ang depensa ni Magsayo. At doon nagsimulang maging delikado ang laban.
See, that's what I mean. And man, he just has lots of skills on the inside.
Ceja's a fighter who's had big swings in his career. It stunned us.
And if I were talking to Ceja in the corner, I'd tell him,
Oh, he got off with a lead hook to Wars. And this is the fourth time he's been knocked down.
positive about everything and very confident. Yep. Well, sometimes, you know, you have to tell him what could be, not exactly what is.
Well put. His punches are. And then he has a special, like, sixth gear that he throws into Wars. He went to the UK in 2013. That's 8 years ago. I mean, cleanly outlanding him, outboxing him, and look good. But these sharp punches now, Ceja's got Magsayo on the ropes. This is where another body shot.
I know. He'll come in when he has to. But right now, he's letting these two guys fight.
Magsayo is thrown it into another gear now. There's that sixth gear. But that's a nice right hand by Ceja. Sure was. Pounds, by the way. Sometimes you don't see this type of power in this weight class. Final seconds, round number 2. So an inspirational rise by Magsayo to get to this fight here tonight in Las Vegas.
He's boxing very nice, and
To prove, so that first round knockdown. See like that? See body shots landing. Ceja outlanding,
but some guys really pull it off.
I like how when you described that, you went to my head and my body.
Nobody saw that except you and me, buddy.
I know, it's a linger shot. Look at this combination. A 5-punch action from Magsayo. Go. Wow, that's impressive. Now he's in the corner.
Really like what Magsayo does. He's really good. He's physical. He'll bump you off of him. You know, he's really good at using his body as a defensive mechanism.
Does it there too. Lands with a hook. Blocked one shot. Lands as well. Round number 1 by Magsayo with a beautiful lead hook. Knocking down.
Down so low. He made weight yesterday, but you guys, this is his first fight at 126, and he was already knocked down in the first round, but he's coming forward. I want to know.
And so he got caught with that one. Not quite ready for that.
You know, like they say, it's the ones you don't expect.
Knocked it down 3 times in the first round.
He won't fight. And if Ceja keeps working that body like that, you know, 6th, 7th, 8th round, if he can not get hit like that,
look at this. And then
they're both giving and taking, as the old saying goes. There's a lot of give and take here. Look at that.
nice movement by Ceja. And picked up the head of Magsayo. Magsayo fires back now. A lot of spirit in this young man. This has been a very interesting fight as you see the talent of Magsayo, while Ceja.
That quick left hook by Magsayo, boy, I'll tell you.
Got uppercut and a body shot there by Ceja. He answers back nice. It was amount of weight over the top, 4.5 pounds. Seemed like a lot.
You know, every couple of years, you tend to gain a few more pounds. He stays in the gym and trains hard.
So far, under fire. By the way, we're going to hear from Caleb Plant. And maybe
Right now, there's something wrong with Magsayo. He'll fight back. But Ceja's got him on the run with body shot.
Pagdating ng middle rounds, nagbago ang ihip ng hangin. Tinamaan si Magsayo ng malalakas na suntok. Napaatras siya at sa isang malupit na kombinasyon, bumagsak si Magsayo. Tahimik ang crowd, kinakabahan ng lahat. Makakabangon pa ba siya? Pero dito lumabas ang tunay na puso ng isang Pilipino. Dahan-dahan, tumayo si Magsayo. Hindi siya sumuko, hindi siya umatras. Sa halip, lumaban pa siya ng mas matindi.
Show me a show.
The last time we saw you, you had hurt your hand. How is it? Action.
Number 1 in the world, Canelo Alvarez against Caleb Plant. I wonder, Joe Goosen, can Mark Magsayo recover? Because his body seems...
And no matter
You noticed it, Joe, when he just was taking a little more air, his body was bubbling. And even the way he bends over there, too. He can't stay there. Seon's just too strong and experienced. Good counter hook by Magsayo physically. It's not good. I wonder if maybe a rib is broken. I wonder about his nose. But this is the way he bends over like that. Not a good sign. Oh, good hooks to the body.
defensively, he's protecting himself much better now than that first couple of rounds. And glove up real high.
Nice combination.
That's a bad shot of winning Magsayo.
But he did not go away.
Well, it certainly looked like it. I mean, the speed and the size and the...
How do you have this?
Well, guys, I got an even fight right now, 56-56.
Larry, interesting, because you're giving Seha rounds since he was coming back.
Yeah, look, I can see this being...
Taya was the man marching around, firing off these, according to CompuBox, 65% of the fight out of the Philippines. Everything's going his way. And here's Julio Seha acting as the gatekeeper. You must go through me. Magsayo now landing his shots.
He had his hands down and got hit with the clip with the right hand.
Again, buckle. He's hurt somewhere in
There
there.
was a nice grunt and he held on. That body shot.
Excellent action. And we're going to go upstairs right after this. Magsayo again now reels and breaking down. Mark
Seha on the inside. When Seha gets there, he's wrapping him up because he doesn't want any part of that inside
right?
game than that sort of big shot.
coming in with and both hands too, Joe. Landed with the right hand and the left hand.
He's fought some of the rest. Good right hand.
Less oomph on those shots from Magsayo, where Seha now. So the body shot still wide discrepancy for Julio.
He'll be able to implement that little strategy and it might work for him.
And he's able to touch him there. Ortiz, two fighters looking to reclaim. On fight night, he gets larger.
Yeah.
He's a larger-than-life figure. Round 9 should be close on the scorecards. Do winning rounds, you think?
You could be judging it that way, and I think Sea's making a mistake, keeping him on the ropes and not letting him off the rope.
We've seen excellent action all afternoon, Joe.
Yeah. Oh, it's
In the fights that we opened up with Jose Valenzuela looked terrific. Frank Martin is out of Indianapolis and Detroit. He's 14-0. Got a win over a very game.
the hook there. He's been pulling off the past couple rounds. He's been pulling off his strategy pretty well.
He won.
They have to be in.
Julio Seha, now Magsayo jumps back in. And now it's a renewed figure.
Pagdating ng round 10, pagod na pareho ang dalawang mandirigma pero walang gustong umatras. At sa isang iglap, nakahanap ng butas si Magsayo. Isang malakas na kanan. Sinundan ng kaliwa, tinamaan si Cheja. Napatras, napahiga sa ropes. Isang brutal na knockout. Tapos ang laban, naghiyawan ng crowd. Isang hindi inaasahang comeback victory para kay Mark Magsayo. Mula sa pagkakabagsak, bumangon, at tinapos ang laban sa isang explosive knockout. Ito ang klase ng laban na hindi lang tungkol sa lakas, kundi sa puso, determinasyon at paniniwala sa sarili. At doon napatunayan ng buong mundo na si Mark Magsayo ay hindi lang basta boxer. Isa siyang tunay na mandirigmang Pilipino. At ang laban na yun ay mananatiling isa sa pinakakapanapanabik na laban sa modern boxing.